I'm awake, all things that I see, I know it's hard to believe, but it's from the Almighty. When the leaves fall from the tree, every plant that grows on land, when the waves flow in the sea, it's by His command. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah. To Allah do I return, paradise is what I'll earn if I work hard and pray to my Lord every day. So Allah give me the strength, show me the way the Prophet went. Let me hold tight to your robe. Without Islam there is no hope. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah. Ya Allah, I thank you for my clothes and my food as I live